was supposed to be my off today, but yeah, I had to do a Zoom call. But it's nice to be here with all of you. मैं काफ़ी दिन से तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया प्रमोट कर रही हूँ and it gets very very exhausting. So unlike Sifra, my battery does die very often. Hers is it still stays for very long, but मेरी battery काफ़ी low गई थी and I just thought that I will take an off, reboot, recharge, and while I'm home I can still talk to you all. So I just thought let's meet here one-on-one. I see a lot of people have joined. I hope you guys have liked the trailer. I have been seeing a lot of amazing reels on Akhya Gulab, on Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya, on Lal Pili Akhyan. I don't know which one to choose. Hi guys, there are people saying hi Sifra. Hi. You can ask me whatever questions. मैं काफ़ी दिनों से बहुत सारे interviews के questions answer कर रही हूँ. So I just thought this film is for you all and let me directly talk to you. And I have like butterflies in my stomach now. 2 days to go. It is finally releasing. Sifra is finally going to be yours. This impossible love story is finally going to be out in theaters. And I can't wait for you all to see whether it's possible, not possible, what's it like. Hi guys. Sharif Sayyed, please take my name. Okay, I just did. It's kind of weird to be wearing earphones when I really can't hear anything because I'm the only one talking. But I hope you guys are hearing me loud and clear. Hello, hi. Okay, go ahead, ask me some questions. मैं सबके नाम ही बोलती रहूँगी नहीं तो. What is your name full form in TV Moj? Firstly, let's not call it TV Moj, guys. I know it's a very long name, but it's तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया. अगर आप गाएंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा जल्दी याद होगा. My name is Sifra in the film, which stands for Super Intelligent Female Robot Automation. And it is a very different character for me. It's a very, very unique character. It kind of didn't have a reference point, which is what made it exciting. हमने बहुत सारी robot की films देखी हैं, you know, जहाँ पे like in India we've seen Robot 1, Robot 2, Rajnikant sir of course. We've seen Ravan. You know, we've also seen some TV series which had robots. लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा मामला अलग है because this robot Sifra is an AI robot, so it's a very very advanced robot. I think we're used to watching robots that are way more robotic. This is almost like a humanoid जो कि humans के इंसानों के इतना करीब है कि आप कभी कभी शायद पहचान ना पाए कि रोबोट है, you know, और आप शायद धोखा खा जाएं, which is what exactly happens in the film in multiple situations, which is what makes it very very interesting. And it was tricky because I had to be robotic enough for you all to believe that she's not human because she's not, but at the same time I had to be human enough क्योंकि love story है. Aryan जो कि शाहिद का character name है is a robotics engineer, so he's a really intelligent guy, you know, and if he doesn't get to know and he has this expression, if he has that expression, that means she is so close to being a human being. And of course जब हम shoot कर रहे थे तो काफ़ी मेरे questions थे, काफ़ी शाहिद के questions थे. We both are like people who, you know, obviously don't want anything to be like unanswered. You know, of course you guys are also intelligent audience. You're going to be there, you know, saying कि ये कैसे हो सकता है या अरे यार ऐसे कैसे कर लिया इसने. So all those questions are going to be answered in the film, and I think AI is really really going very fast, growing very fast, and it's not too far that we might just have a Sifra in life. And today, I mean, we did meet Sophia जब हम लोग दुबई में थे, who is a robot who's gotten residency in Saudi, and she's just amazing. Like I was mesmerized. मैं बस उसको देख रही थी because वो literally process कर रही थी, answer कर रही थी. She was funny. She sang, you know, the title track for us. She was replying and responding. And she had like, you know, these expressions where she was processing. So I think yes, I did meet Sophia. So I think वो दिन दूर नहीं है कि इससे भी हम आगे जाएंगे. Actually अगर आप देखो तो कुछ I mean 10-15 साल पहले 15 साल पहले तो like नेटवर्क इंटरनेट भी नहीं होता था. I remember phones भी अलग तरीके के होते थे. We never really thought कि हम वीडियो कॉल कर पाएंगे, कि हम you know I can like FaceTime my cousins who are sitting in Canada, but we can today. You know, we have holograms, we have virtual reality, we have so much now, you know, that we can really do sitting in our home. We talk to, you know, Alexa and Siri and so many like of these AI generated. There's Chat GPT. So I think we're really moving very fast, and कभी भी हो सकता है कि आगे जाके ह्यूमनॉइड्स रोबोट्स, ऐसे रोबोट्स जो इंसानों के इतना करीब हो बने. एंड यू नेवर नो, यू माइट जस्ट हैव सिफ्रा इन योर लाइफ. सो yeah, I hope you guys like the film. It is a very light-hearted film. It's a very it's got a lot of comedy. मुझे याद है जब मैं ये स्क्रिप्ट सुन रही थी तो I really I had no expectations. I was just listening to it कि ठीक है सुनते हैं क्या है. And I didn't know that, you know, he falls in love with a robot. And when that happened, I was like, oh my god, is that possible? And then when that started, the story started moving, I was like, okay, ये इंसान है, ये robot है, मैं इनके लिए feel कर रही हूँ, मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये साथ में हो, but this is not normal. But that's the beauty of cinema. I think cinema आपको एक ऐसी दुनिया में ले जाता है which you know can be aspirational, not really real, but you know maybe possible in the future. You know, which is a magical world, and it sort of convinces you and makes you part of that world. So the fact that you feel for Aryan and Sifra, and the fact that you are still really entertained and you're laughing, like मुझे याद है मेरे cheeks pain हो रहे थे and I was really laughing while hearing the script. Especially the climax of it is very funny. And like all Maddox films, I love when a film says something, you know, something relevant, something important, leaves you with a thought, you know, and while entertaining. ऐसा नहीं कि हम ज्ञान बांट रहे हैं, but we all know, like, you know, we're all addicted to our phone. अगर आपको 2 घंटे के लिए नेटवर्क नहीं आता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि oh my god जान निकल जाएगी, क्या हो गया, किसी का मैसेज तो नहीं आया हुआ है. So हम टेबल पे भी, डिनर टेबल पे कई बार बैठे होते हैं, एंड वी हैव टू लाइक रिमाइंड ईच अदर दैट गाइस, हेलो, स्टॉप बीइंग ऑन योर फोन्स, यू नो. सो वी ऑल आर वेरी एडिक्टेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यू नो योर फोन इज़ लिसनिंग टू यू ऑल द टाइम, एंड जो आप सोच रहे हैं या जो आप बात कर रहे हैं वो सडनली पॉप अप होता है. सो वी यूज टू गेटिंग एवरीथिंग एज पर what we like, you know. हम वैसी ही रील्स देख रहे हैं, हम वैसा कंटेंट देख रहे हैं जो हमें पसंद है, बिकॉज आवर फोन इज़ थ्रोइंग दैट ऑन अस. सो ऐसा भी क्या होगा कि हमें पार्टनर में भी कस्टमाइजेशन चाहिए होगी एंड एक सिफरा चाहिए होगी? इट्स अ क्वेश्चन टू आस्क. Okay, sorry, I was really yapping. I will read some questions. How did you feel working with Shahid sir? I felt amazing. Shahid and I were supposed to actually work together 8 years back, maybe. Farzi was supposed to be a film back then, and we were supposed to work together. And वो फिल्म नहीं हुई उस टाइम पर. But he's a fabulous actor. I was really looking forward to working with him. I think he is someone who has shown so much variety in his work, you know, whether it has been like The Chocolate Boy, Hero Days, or he's done some amazing work in Kameene, in Heather, in Kabir Singh, and so much more. And He's a fabulous dancer, so he was probably the one dancer I was really, really nervous to dance with. And I'm so glad and happy कि हमें 3 गाने मिले, literally, to dance together. So it's been a fun journey. He's a really chilled person. I like that he loves Punjabi music. He's someone who updates my Punjabi playlist apart from my own sister. In fact, Gulab of Mitras was also a song जो शाहिद ने मुझे सुनाया था, and I was like, listen, I've not heard this song and this sounds really nice. What is this song? And then I went into listening to more songs of Mitras, and I love Junoon. You must have seen it on my Instagram. So that's also one of my favorite tracks. So it was a fun journey. I think we hit it off from day one. हमारा पहला scene जो था साथ में, वो actually आर्यन और सिफ्रा का पहला scene है फिल्म में, जब वो पहली बार मिलते हैं. And that was, I think, the build-up of the chemistry that starts there. So as we kept shooting, we just got really comfortable with each other, and I think that's what translates into chemistry. When you are free to like say anything to each other and say कि मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ, या आप you wanna do this and then I'll do this, or what you were doing earlier was nice, or I'm not liking this. So I think the fact that you can feel free, even though he's a senior actor, I could feel free to tell him anything, and that's what was amazing. More questions popping up, but they're all kind of similar. Love you, Kriti from Indonesia. Guys, don't ask me this or that. Do you like working with this person or that person? I've actually had a great time working with all my co-actors, and I'm not kidding. Like, I feel like it's been... I've been fortunate कि कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि I've not gotten along with a co-actor of mine, and it's always been like every actor gets something different. So that's what's nice. Please share any funny moment during shoot. Swati has asked this. Okay, I mean, it's very hard to kind of think of new moments which are funny, but I think you remember, मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमारे, I hope वो लोग डाले actually film के end में, sometimes when they're outtakes, मतलब जो takes जिसमें हम लोग हंसना शुरू हो गए या कुछ funny चीज़ हो गई, और वो take actually doesn't make it to the film. But those takes are like really, really funny to watch. I love watching like behind the scenes and outtakes. So there were a lot of moments where Shahid and I have just bursted out laughing. And you must have seen our interviews. We are like, I think we have crackling chemistry on screen, but we have like crack chemistry off screen. Like we're mad together sometimes. We say anything. Like we just say anything. So yeah, there were a lot of moments where we both started laughing. और एक scene है फिल्म में जो मुझे बहुत funny लगता है. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे. Where he is almost here on my face, and he has snored on my face. He has burped like right here, like on my nose. It's okay, we're actors, we have to do what we have to do. So he has burped on my face, he snored on my face, and we used to like burst out laughing. मुझे straight face रखना था उसमें क्योंकि मैं robot हूँ, और वो बहुत ही tough था मेरे लिए. I was actually very proud of myself कि मैं हंस कैसे नहीं रही हूँ, because it was just like a really, really funny thing. Like imagine someone just like burping on your nose. And he was also improvising, तो वो कुछ ऐसा बोल रहा था जो बहुत funny था. But I held my own, and after that scene was done, he was like, Kriti, my life में ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Please don't judge me on this. So it was that scene is one of my favorite moments. I hope you guys actually crack up as much as we did. Okay, what else? Which is my favorite scene in the film? That's a very tough one. I have a lot of favorite scenes. Gulab se pehle ek pura sequence hai where we are talking. I think those scenes are really romantic. It's got this undercurrent of flirting, and the funny bit is that जब हम वो शूट कर रहे थे, हमने वो दुबई में शूट किया, शाहिद की आवाज़ एकदम जा चुकी थी और he was sounding like फटा ढोल and I remember when you're doing a romantic scene and someone's really sounding like you know really फटा हुआ आवाज़ वो खुद ही अपनी आवाज़ पे हंस रहा था एंड आई थिंक कई बार जैसा दिखता है स्क्रीन पे और एक्चुअली उस टाइम पे जैसा हम कर रहे होते हैं वाज रियली इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट सो आई हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट मेमोरी ऑफ दोज रोमांटिक सीन्स देन तुमसे अगर आपने गाना देखा है उसमें एक छोटा सा कट है वेयर यू नो आई हग हिम and I think that is a very cute moment in the film. I really really like it. And I also love the climax of the film. I think you know the climax sort of really is the peak of laughter for me, and I hope that you guys really have a lot of fun because जब मैं वो सुन रही थी मुझे दो चीज़ें फील हो रही थी एक तो मेरे cheeks hurt हो रहे थे मेरा stomach hurt हो रहा था because I was really laughing. And the second thing was I was like, oh my god, ये मैं कैसे करने वाली हूँ? How am I going to do this? So it was probably something very away from anything that I've done before. As an actor, I personally feel like, you know, I'm more organic, या थोड़ा, you know, natural. I like keeping it like real and subtle. And अगर कोई ऐसा scene आए जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा लाउड होना पड़ता है या ओवर द टॉप होना पड़ता है समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट योर बॉडी इज़ नॉट यूज टू इट यू नो दोज आई थिंक आर एक्चुअली टफर सो फॉर मी द क्लाइमैक्स इज़ फुल्ली दैट इट इज़ फुल्ली लाइक अवे फ्रॉम एनीथिंग दैट सिफ्रा इज़ you know during the rest of the film and anything that I am in life or I've ever done so that I was actually very charged when I was shooting that I was like you know because as Sifra आप robot है तो आप काफ़ी restricted हैं you know you can't like have major peaks of emotions or you can't like you're not crying you're not like you know गुस्से से फट जाना all of that doesn't happen so rest of it is a very controlled sort of performance that you have to give and it almost gets a little suffocating क्योंकि ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार और कुछ कर सकती थी मैं लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैं ह्यूमन नहीं हूँ तो मैंने अपनी जो सारी भड़ास है पूरी फिल्म में जो मुझे फील हो रहा था कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती वो मैंने पूरा क्लाइमैक्स में निकालने की कोशिश की है सो आई होप दैट यू गाइस लव इट फेवरेट सॉन्ग इन दिस मूवी इज अख्या गुलाब प्लीज सिंग I can't sing. I really can't sing, guys. I'm not going to do this. You guys love the song. I want you to love the song. Okay, interesting question. DPK Mishra. Was it difficult to work with two directors for a single film? Okay, so the directors of this film, Amit and Aradhna, are also the writers of the film. It's not difficult to work with two directors. I think you have just more number of opinions. Fortunately, both of them are very much in sync. So that's what helped. Both of them are in sync, but there is one person who, like Aradhna is more like into logic and she sort of solves the logical part. And I feel like sometimes Amit can be, really funny. And Amit used to just tell me one thing, आप ना observe करो, which is a very interesting thing because as a robot, you are basically observing and you're processing, that's how you react. As human beings also you do that, but as a robot, I think आपका observation is way more because everything is new. And that the only way of reacting is by processing what you see. So I used to always... like every time Amit would come in front of me, I'm like, observe, I will observe. And Aradhna is very, very, like she's like me who gets into like every small detail of the logic. A film like this needs that. There are also technically sound people. I think, a film like this, which is so funny, but it's so tricky because you can really go wrong, people can be like, अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? So you have to put in all the logics that are necessary, all the questions जो आपके दिमाग में आएंगे, जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहे थे, वो सारे आंसर होने चाहिए. So I think it was actually a lot of fun having two directors for the first time. Kriti's admirer, any difficulties you faced while portraying the role of Sifra? आई थिंक जस्ट टू फाइंड द राइट बैलेंस, क्योंकि मुझे इतना ह्यूमन होना था कि प्यार हो जाए, कि कुछ लोगों को पता ना चले कि ये रोबोट है, ना मैं रोबोट की तरह बात कर रही हूँ, ना मैं मूव कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत फ्री फ्लोइंग हूँ, मैं काफ़ी ह्यूमंस के करीब हूँ, बट एट द सेम टाइम आपको पता है जब आप फिल्म देखने आ रहे हो कि मैं रोबोट हूँ, सो यू नो कुछ ऐसा होना है कि वो थोड़ी ऑफ है, कुछ अलग है, नहीं यार इंसान तो नहीं है, यू नो लाइक दैट. सो आई थिंक वो बैलेंस फाइंड करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था. एंड जब आपके सामने शाहिद कपूर जैसा एक्टर है जो इतना कुछ कर रहा है, एंड यू नो इतना इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा है, एंड ही सच अ गुड एक्टर, एज एन एक्टर यू फील लाइक फ्लोइंग, and as an actor I like reacting to my actors, and I couldn't do that, so I think that was also tough for me. I think finding the sur of the climax was also tough, but I'm hoping that what I found is something that works for you all. What else, guys? How was your experience working with legendary actors like Dharmendra sir? It was really amazing. I wish कि मुझे उनके साथ कुछ ऐसे सोलो सीन्स मिलते, बट इस फिल्म में तो नहीं है. Though I was a part of a lot of scenes where he is there and I've interacted with him a lot. I think वो बहुत ही warm हैं, बहुत loving हैं, और यू नो आप जब उन्हें मिलो तो वो जिस तरह से आपका हाथ पकड़ते हैं, फ़ोटो खींचते हैं, आपके सर पे हाथ रखते हैं, ही इज़ रियली रियली क्यूट. वो पोइट्री करते हैं, शायरी करते हैं. जिस दिन वो कुछ बहुत अच्छा पहनते हैं तो मुझे याद है वो कई बार अपनी फ़ोटो खिंचवा के अपने बेटों को भेजते थे. और आई रिमेंबर हियरिंग लाइक वॉइस नोट्स ऑफ बॉबी, यू नो डैड यू आर लुकिंग सो कूल, एंड ही वुड हैव अ स्माइल ऑन हिज फेस, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स सो इंड्योरिंग. और वो इम्प्रोवाइज़ करते हैं, बहुत बार कुछ बहुत ही फ़नी बोल जाते हैं सीन में, जो यू नो सीन को पूरा अपलिफ्ट कर देता है. सो इट्स देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू नो these actors, Dharmendra sir of course, and even Dimple ma'am. I think Dimple ma'am बहुत ही there's a certain coolness and swag to her. I really love her. She's a very very solid actor, I would say, and you know I think the role that she's played, the gravity that she's got to this role, और कोई नहीं कर सकता था, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I wish कि मुझे और मौका मिले उनके साथ काम करने का actually. But thank you for this question. Hi Arav. I'm reading all your questions, guys, but I'm trying to find something interesting that I can answer. बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स. आपकी अपकमिंग मूवीज़ कौन सी हैं? नेहा. नेहा, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. मेरी अपकमिंग मूवीज़ इसके बाद इज़ द क्रू, विच इज़ विद करीना एंड तबू मैम, एंड दैट इज़ अ really fun film. It's releasing on 29th of March. It's a fun film. अगर आपने अनाउंसमेंट देखी है तो उसकी जो वाइब है वैसी थोड़ी सी क्वर्की, थोड़ी सी फ्लर्टी, थोड़ी सी cool vibe hai, and Riya Kapoor and Ekta, two powerhouses, have produced it. So of course it looks stylish, it's cool, it's funny, and it's everything that you know you would just want to go and have popcorns and watch and just have a blast. Uske baad hai Dopati, which is also something that I have co-produced for the first time. I'm too excited about it. I think it's my most challenging role so far. It's a Netflix original and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Any upcoming web series? Not yet. I haven't actually found anything. Can we expect some action in the crew by the ladies? No, not really. It's not really that genre, you know. It's even if there is action, it's going to be a little bit of a clumsy action. It's not like, it's not an action film, but it's, I can't tell you what it is. थोड़ा बहुत आपको पता चल गया होगा what the character that we all are playing. I don't know. यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें. I can't say more. मराठी में बोलो. मराठी में मुझे ज़्यादा बोलना आता नहीं है. आई जस्ट कीप यूजिंग चला, लवकर, थांबा, बसा, कशाला, कुठे. दैट्स इट. सो आई कीप यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स दैट पीपल फील लाइक अरे आती है इसको मराठी, बट एक्चुअली मुझे ज़्यादा आती नहीं है. Who's this? Famida Chaudhary. Kriti, you have flawless skin. Do put a little episode of your daily routine? I do actually put a lot of episodes of my daily skincare routine. I am actually going to be sharing one very soon. Hopefully tomorrow, or should I share it today? Or maybe tomorrow. Which is my night skincare routine. I think I haven't shared one since a while, and this is the one that I use to reset my skin. We have launched these new products, which are my favorite products of my nighttime skincare routine. The Retinol Reset Serums. I have been using retinoids. Retinoids vitamin A का derivative होते हैं, and they are excellent for your skin. तो अगर आप 20 and above हो, और एक इंग्रेडिएंट है अगर आपको यूज़ करना स्टार्ट करना है, यू मस्ट स्टार्ट यूजिंग रेटिनॉइड्स ओनली इन योर नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन. दे आर जस्ट अमेजिंग बिकॉज दे फास्टन योर स्किन सेल टर्नओवर प्रोसेस. बहुत ज़्यादा साइंस लग रहा है बट बहुत सिंपल है. आपकी ओल्ड स्किन जो है वो हटती है, न्यू स्किन ऊपर आती है, एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज़ सेल टर्नओवर. तो ये प्रोसेस जो है वो धीरे धीरे स्लो हो जाता है, एंड विद एज स्लो हो जाता है. सो आपकी स्किन ड्राई होना चालू हो जाती है. यू हैव लाइक लाइन्स एंड रिंकल्स इवेंचुअली, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज फास्टनड बाय retinoids. So they are absolutely amazing. We have created two really amazing serums for beginners and for people who've been using retinoids. It's almost like a cream serum, which is like very hydrating. It's gentle on skin. It doesn't dry your skin, and it's got hyphened some really amazing products, amazing ingredients. So do check it out. I'm going to actually put it out, my routine, my nighttime reset routine. I'm going to put it out like probably tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. You are a robot, ma'am. Okay. I wish I was a robot in life sometimes, really. Like, I've just put a video out in promotion, so I really feel कि मेरी जगह अगर सिफ्रा होती तो कितना अमेजिंग होता, क्योंकि हम कई बार इंटरव्यूज़ में सेम क्वेश्चंस आंसर करते हैं बार. और सिफ्रा अपने रिकॉर्डर के साथ बहुत ही एफिशिएंटली आंसर करती है, आई थिंक. और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता, शायद को भी नहीं पता चलता अगर सिफ्रा बैठी होती. तो दैट वुड हैव बीन अमेजिंग. I think you and Maddock have some unique equation because you are a go-to actor for them. Maddock is like family for me. It's like home for me. I started my journey with Rapta, and I think I love the fact that they always back content. They don't really back stars as much as they back content. You know, they have done their biggest films and biggest hits that have not had like really huge names in them, and I feel that they always try and do something hatke, something different, have a different unique concept, try and say something if they can through their content while entertaining you. So I think kabhi-kabhi aapki tuning baith jati hai with the process of a production house, how they work, how they function, and also you like similar kind of content. So it's of course, because I've worked with them so many times, I am also very comfortable with the way they work, and I think I love the kind of content that they make. Like I've found some of my most unique characters and unique stories in Mad Dog Productions. Whether it has been Mimi, that's given me so much love, or it's been Bhedia, you know, to have a story like that and to play a character like that, like Anika. And now this, you know, playing a robot, playing a humanoid, it's so unique. So of course, it's always a pleasure to find something new. Is it difficult to act as a robot? Yeah, it's not difficult. It's tricky, you know, because you don't know, like, you don't know where to go. You don't have any robot in front of you who you can, you know, take notes from. So you have to really create that quirk in you, you know, that makes you not look human. I think deeper emotions play करना थोड़ा satisfying ज़्यादा होता है as an actor, और easy भी शायद होता है because you can do so much, but when you don't have to do so much and you have to do little, you know, in that, how do you convince the audience? I think that's the challenge. And also, if the robot is so close to being a human being, you know, you can't start talking like a robot. So you're talking like a human being, you're moving like a human being, but there has to be still something, you know, some sort of a perfection, some quirk that makes you look not so human. So it was challenging, but it was fun. Challenge is fun, you know, when I don't know कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. And actually मुझे हमेशा लगता है जब हम at least for me, जब तक वो पहला शॉट या पहला सीन रोल नहीं होता है, सब कुछ मेरे दिमाग में है कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, पर मेरे मुंह से कई बार वो सेम चीज़ें नहीं निकलती हैं या वो सेम तरीके से बाहर नहीं आता है. So till you actually do it in front of the camera, you don't really know what you're going to do and how it's going to look. By the way, guys, happy Gulab Day, happy Rose Day. I just realized, I saw one of the comments and I just realized, and I've been thinking since morning, you know, we've had Akhya Gulab and today is Gulab Day, and मुझे तो अभी आज कोई गुलाब मिला नहीं है. It's a really sad Gulab Day for me. Yeah, I'm just suddenly feeling very sad. I hope your Gulab Day is better than mine. All I have right now is Akhya Gulab. I've only been seeing some amazing videos on that, some amazing reels that you guys are creating. Oh my god. But yeah, it's Gulab Day. I remember, like, on 7th it kind of starts till 14th, and in school, college, we used to really, like, chocolate day, rose day, teddy day भी होता था, पता नहीं होता है कि नहीं होता है. And what, hug day, kiss day. Kiss day was like the last, like Valentine's Day एक दिन पहले. Date day. Am I making these up? Was there a slap day? Because I think I remember this. Yeah. Oh, now how sweet you guys are. Now everybody is just saying happy Rose Day and they're sending me so many roses. चलो मैं इन roses से ही काम चला लेती हूँ. हम लोग AI की बात कर रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी गुलाब भी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ आ रहे हैं. What to do? Where is the real stuff? Very sweet, guys. Where are you right now? Where am I? I am at home. Sifra is at home. Sifra is in no mood to work today, and she just had to reboot and update her software and be all set for a film that's releasing. So yeah, I've been home. I've taken it off. Sometimes you've got to take it off and you gotta say कि मेरी बैटरी बहुत डाउन है अभी और मुझे रिचार्ज की ज़रूरत है. So that's it. This is actually my favorite part of my house, which is, like, you know, there's a little, like, deck area which I love. I love sitting here in the outdoor, you know, in the open, and these days मौसम भी काफ़ी अच्छा है in Mumbai, so it's very pleasant and it's nice and it's quiet. And my parents are not home today. They've gone for a शादी, so बहुत ही silent है आज मेरा घर. Apart from my dogs who bark once in a while when someone enters the house, काफ़ी शांति है. Guys, मेरी बैटरी Oh no, sorry, my phone has focus and battery. I'm gonna actually put it on charge while talking to you all. See, we all need a charger. Forgive this movement. It's Amna. Please take my name. I just did. I can't believe that the film is finally releasing in 2 days. Day after. Actually, tomorrow it is releasing in the UAE and in many other countries abroad. So, oh no, it is releasing tomorrow. Okay, now I'm getting like butterflies in my stomach. आपके बाल में क्या है? बाल में कुछ नहीं है, कान में पहुंचे. Please say hello. Hi. Any more questions, guys? A lot of requests to join, but I don't know, I can't see any of them. Okay. I wish it was releasing tomorrow here in Kenya. I would have rushed. That's okay, you can wait for another day. That's fine. I hope you guys have booked your tickets. The advance bookings are open. And book your tickets fast so we can meet Sifra and Arun. Which one's your favorite song, by the way? Like, I've actually been seeing a lot of reels on all 3 songs, which makes me really, really happy. Tumse Hi has just released some time back, so it's a love song. It's something that is more soothing. मुझे वो गाना और उसकी लिरिक्स बहुत पसंद है. अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है जो दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है. I think it just goes so well with what Aryan feels for Sifra, and I think even the end of it, like if you hear the audio, it's not there in the video, but जो उसके end में कुछ लाइनें आती हैं वो बहुत प्यारी हैं. तेरी आंखों में उलझा जिया. Okay, then. हिंदी में बोलो मैडम. So I talk in English, जो कि ज़्यादातर लोग करते हैं. मेरी हिंदी तो निकलती है ही, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, so हिंदी is always there. I can't just talk in English. But कुछ चीज़ों का की फील हिंदी में आती है और कुछ चीज़ों की फील इंग्लिश में आती है, at least मुझे. So I mix it up. I actually have taken this off today to just like rest, to freshen up my mind, to just be home, to spend time with my pups, to also my knee has been acting up a little bit. So मुझे 2-2.5 साल पहले नी में थोड़ी सी चोट लग गई थी. तो नी की जो इंजरी होती है वो काफ़ी टाइम लगती है एंड बार बार आती रहती है वापस. So my knee has been feeling a little heavy, I think because हम रोज़ कहीं ना कहीं चल रहे थे, कहीं ना कहीं जा रहे थे. So I also thought it's a good day to get a session of physio done. So I'm about to go for that actually in like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes more and then I'm gonna get my physio done, get a little fixing. Actually can't see any requests. I mean, I can see 74 requests, but I can't really see them. I don't know what's wrong. people telling me what to do with my knee. I'm just trying to go up and see some more questions. Karan Sani is saying we need to work out. Yes, Karan, I know we need to work out. You have also been on a holiday, so let's not go there right now. But my knee is a little bit. Guys, I live पे हुआ ना तुम्हें?
कब से ढूंढ रहे थे?
I'm on a live. Do you want to be on it? Please, you're already on it. What is live? Look on Instagram live. Okay, they are on live. Hi, that's my sister. And that's her friend, Ambika. Guys, you're on my Instagram live. Can you go from here?
This is disgusting.
I'm coming in 5 minutes.
Come. इतना casually वो live करता है यार.
तो और क्या करता है live में? There's nobody else talking. It's just me. I mean, I'm reading comments. I think that's a sign that I have to go now, and I'll probably go and spend some time with these two and also get my physio done and be back tomorrow better than before. Okay, jate, just lots of love to you all. Thank you so much for all the love that you have been giving me, that you've been giving the film, that you've been giving to Sifra, to our banter, me and Shahid. I think, I love all the love that's been pouring in. And film release होने वाली है UAE और कुछ और जगहों पर कल हो रही है और परसों इंडिया में हो रही है. So fingers crossed, and I hope you guys love the film as much as we had fun making it. It's a very, very unique film. It's a love story with a twist. Love story is my favorite genre, and इसमें twist ये है कि इंसान को इंसान से नहीं, इंसान को रोबोट से प्यार होता है. क्या ये पॉसिबल है, क्या ये पॉसिबल नहीं है? और अगर इस लव स्टोरी को उठा के हम एक इंडियन फैमिली के बीच में रख दें तो क्या रायता फैलता है? दैट इज़ व्हाट इट्स अबाउट. It's a fun film, even though ये Valentine's week है. If you have a Valentine, please take your Valentine. If you don't have one and you're pursuing someone, you can take that person, or you can take a gang of friends, or you can take your family. I'm actually loving the fact that a lot of auntie uncles and families are really, really loving the trailer and everything that's been out. So just take whoever you want. It's meant for group watching, group viewing in the theaters, and hope you love Sifra and hope you love the love story, and see you guys in theaters very, very soon, day after. Signing off, charging myself, going in, having khana, and I'll see you soon. Bye.